Meaning of endoscopy.
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 Endoscopy. Endoscopy is a medical procedure in which a small, flexible tube with a camera attached is inserted into the body to examine the organs and tissues inside. The tube, called an endoscope, can be inserted through the mouth, anus, or other small incisions. During the examination, the camera on the endoscope sends images to a screen that the doctor uses to look for abnormalities, such as ulcers or tumors. Endoscopy can be used to diagnose and treat a variety of conditions, including digestive disorders, respiratory problems, and urinary tract issues.